Hello everyone, welcome back. So transferring ownership is key to keep things secure for the new owner, and it's easier than you think. So first, if you're the current owner, you've got to unlink the doorbell first. Open the Ring app on your phone, make sure you're logged in. Tap the menu, those three lines top left, then hit Devices. Pick your Ring doorbell from the list, go to Device Settings, then General Settings. Tap Remove this device at the bottom, confirm it, and boom, it's off your account. Warning, this deletes all the videos, so download any keepers first. Step 2. Reset the doorbell itself. Unscrew the faceplate or pop it off. Check your model's manual if it's tricky. Find the setup button, usually orange, maybe on the side or back. Press and hold it for about 10 or 15 seconds till the front light flashes. That means it's back to factory settings, ready for a new owner. Takes about a minute to finish, don't rush it. Now, new owner's turn. Download the app, the Ring app if you don't have it. You know the drill, open the Google Play or App Store. Open it, tap Set up a device and pick Doorbells. Scan the QR code on the doorbell of its box. It's usually on the back. Follow the prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi and name it, like front door cam. Test it with a quick ring and you're alive. And that's how you transfer a doorbell. Old owner removes it, resets the device, new owner sets it up, and that's it. So drop your story below, guys. Like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.